Hello, hope you're all keeping well. We've got another maths lesson for you today, and today we are going to be looking at measuring length and height using a ruler, and therefore we're going to be measuring in centimetres. So first of all, you will need a ruler like this one. I know not everyone will have rulers at home, but ask a parent or someone who's with you at home, a member of your family. You might be able to find a tape measure, or if not, you might even be able to find one online that you can print off. Just try your best to see what you can find. So on the ruler, you need to find which side is centimetres and which side isn't centimetres, because most rulers will have numbers on both sides, as you'll see. So the centimetres, sometimes it will tell you that it's centimetres, as you can see there. Okay, it says cm underneath the mm. If it doesn't though, centimetres, a ruler normally goes all the way to 30, or if it's a smaller one, it will go to 15. If it doesn't go to 15 or 30, the only way to tell is centimetres. The numbers will be closer together than on the other side, which is inches. You see? So the 4 and the 5 are closer together than the 10 and the 11 are on this side. Right, so when we're measuring something, I'm going to measure today this fork. Okay? So to measure, we need to make sure that we measure all the way from one side to the other. So we need to go from the furthest point on each side. And what you'll notice about a ruler is there's this little gap here before we get to the first line. We need to start measuring from 0, and that line is 0. So we don't measure from the end of the ruler like that, we measure from that line, okay? So I'm just going to match it up, there we go. So we measure from that line, and then the ruler nice and straight all the way to the end. So this fork, I've now got to decide, it goes past 19 centimetres but doesn't quite reach 20 centimetres. So I've got to decide which part or which number it is nearer to. So I'm going to say that's slightly nearer to the 20 at the furthest point just here, slightly nearer to the 20. So I'm going to say that my fork is 20 centimetres long. Okay, so if you're doing height, you do the same thing. Let's use this pen part. You'd start from 0. So you put the 0 at the bottom, measure how high, and you'll see that it's close to 10 and 11. So I'm going to say that this pencil pot is 10 centimetres tall. So it's 10 centimetres. And remember, to write centimetres, we just need to write cm after our number. So 10 cm. So have a go at measuring things with a ruler or a tape measure. Feel free to ask adults to help you, and send us pictures on Twitter. Our Twitter address is @HIA Year 1, and happy measuring. See you all soon.